Hey guys, it's Jack from J&J Computer Repairs. Do you guys want free computers? I hate to give away my secrets, but for my viewers, I'll do it. I have about 15 working computers at the moment, and most of them I got for free. Here's how. I dumpster dive and even get them at garage sales. It's amazing what people will throw away. Today, I'm going to show you what you can do with other people's garbage. I went to the dump this morning and I got 2 free broken laptops. You can really hear something inside this one. I've tested this one thoroughly and something's fried in the motherboard. So I'm gonna use the parts from this one to make this laptop work. It's missing some parts like the CD drive, the RAM, and the SSD. But I'm gonna try and fix it with this one. So, a few tools that you would need if you want to do this at home is a precision screwdriver. This one is battery powered, but it doesn't need to be. You can just use a regular one. This is a pry tool. It's really helpful to open up laptops. Next, I have a multimeter. I like to use this to test for power, to make sure I'm actually getting power to the components. And lastly, this. I have a whole other video on how to install Windows, but when you salvage a laptop, you want to put a fresh copy of Windows on it. So first, let's start off by unscrewing everything in the back. I already did all of that. So on this laptop, you have to pry up from here. And then there's snaps all around. And then once you get to about the halfway point, you can pull it off. First, we'll start with the CD drive. So this one, you're able to just pull it right out. And there you go, there's the CD drive. And I'll take out the Wi-Fi card. So the RAM is on the underside, so you just pull back the 2 snaps and then you're just able to pull it out. And the hard drive, you just pull that right out. And if you want to learn more on inserting and removing hard drives, go check out my other video. So now we can put this back in. And later, I'll take out the fan, the speakers, and the battery, and all of the other components in it, and save them for future use. Okay, so now we just take the keyboard and snap it right back into place. There we go. Now we're done with this laptop. Okay, so now take this laptop. I already did all of the unscrewing on this one too. This is the laptop that I'm going to give to my friend. It's not in the best condition, but I'll make it work. So you just insert the pry tool in here, and you're able to just run it down the whole thing and just pry it up. There you go. Same as on the other computer, make sure to take out the ribbon cables, but I already did. So here we go. So this is the hard drive. You just insert it in here. If you have any questions on how to insert hard drives or RAM, go check out the other videos that I have on my channel. So now we just insert the RAM and just push down until it clicks. And this is the CD drive. You turn the computer on its side and take the CD drive and just drop it in. Just make sure to push in. So right now I'm taking out the power switch so I can test it and make sure it works. And it works. This morning I went to the dump and got 2 free non-working computers. And now I have 1 working one. Oh, and I almost forgot. The other one can be used for parts. See you guys next time on the next J&J Computer Repairs video.